Asido goes closer, outside limit, lets it fly, and lands a three. And Manansala can't as well. Asido for three. Bang on target. With his 5-point advantage, our Motolite Pangmatagalan play of the quarter brought to you by Motolite Pangmatagalan. Download the Motolite Rescue app today. Converge Super Play of the quarter brought to you by Converge Super Fiber X. Live to the power of X. Padrigao, kick out. Asido, corner three. Yes!
First end, you having the Twin Towers.
Padrigao doesn't get the bounce. Rebound by Asido. And the second chance basket is good. Juniors MVP in the NCAA is now with the Growling Tigers and shooting lights out. 11 points in the game for our PS Bankable Player of the Game brought to you by PS Bank. Open a savings account in just a few taps with PS Bank Mobile. No need to go to the branch. Download now.
And he may not have scored the most, he may not have played the most, but every time he made a basket.
Joining me right now is the PS Bankable Player of the Game with 11 points and 3 rebounds, Amiel Asido. Congratulations, first of all. Now, Amiel, my first question is, ngayon na na-secure nyo na yung Final Four spot, ano sa tingin nyo yung gumana sa inyo today?
Siguro yung pagpasok namin dito with good energy, staying positive lang. Kahit, alam mo yun, nag-focus lang kami sa circle namin, hindi namin pinapakinggan yung mga sinasabi sa labas. Kumbaga, kami-kami yung magkakasama sa simula hanggang dulo. So yun siguro yung nakatulong sa amin yung nakukuha yung panalo.
Well, from this win, ano yung kukunin mo and dadalhin nyo hanggang sa next games mo?
Siguro yung maganda yung energy and aggressiveness ng team kanina. Siguro yun yung naging reason kung bakit ganun yung laro namin. Kumbaga, lahat handa silang ibigay yung 100% effort nila na kahit yung sa mga rebounds, secure nila yung rebounds. Alam mo yun, so good hustle yun sa amin and malaking boost yun para makakuha namin panalo sa Final Four.
Well, finally, do you have anything you want to say to everyone supporting you right now here in the Araneta, here in the arena?
Siyempre, unang-una pinapasalamatan ko po si Lord and then sa UST community po. Sa ninong-ninang ko na nanonood po ngayon, sa family ko sa Antipolo, Laila po. Yun, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta and sana patuloy niyo po kami suportahan sa mga upcoming games pa po namin.
Well, there you have it. That's Amiel Asido, today's Player of the Game. Now back to you, Dip and Isaac.